Do you remember that moment when you stood up on the stage at school giving a speech, that moment of stage fright before you wanted to go and give that speech, the words stuck in your throat, that feeling of fear, can I do it? Am I going to be enough? What will everyone else think? That's the feeling I've got right now. What I've done is I've gone and emailed out about 25 people a link and an invitation to my first workshop on Saturday. I don't know if anyone's going to be interested. I don't know whether people are going to want to pay that amount of money to come. I don't know whether they're going to say it's too much money, it's too little money. I don't know what they're going to think. It's scary putting myself out there, really scary. But it's a leap I have to take. It's a leap of faith. Because, after all, a company that doesn't make money is a company that isn't in business for very long. It's scary, but I know that I'm going to bring these people a lot of value. The workshop that I'm going to be teaching is one relating to saving, with saving at the key core of it. We'll be going over how to set financial goals and building up your savings, and then what to do with your savings once you've built them up, with holisticness, the touch point of this. I know I can add massive value to these people's lives, and while part of me is afraid of judgment and afraid of what people might think, this is a really exciting step, and it's a really important step, and I'm glad that I've taken it. What I'd ended up doing to actually get this list was I'd gone and created a survey which I've sent to my extended friends, asking people what it is that they do around money and what workshops that they wanted to go and attend to learn more. What I did was, from the people that were interested to be contacted with further offers, they provided me the email address. I got those email addresses. I looked at what their main concerns of those people were about money, and I've created a workshop to meet those concerns. So I'm hoping, crossing my fingers, that these people are going to want to come along, and I'll have my very first workshop with people attending and my first paid members on Saturday. I'll update you afterwards to let you know how it goes. Catch you in the next video.